In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Black Ops 6 DirectX crash error. So in case you're having this error over here, it should look something like this over here on this screenshot. We're going to try and fix it right now. So I've listed all the possible solutions known to mankind at this very point, but I'm of course going to show you everything on the computer. I just have this Word document here, so we'll have everything more kind of arranged and you can see what's going on. So the first thing is to turn your textures to low or very low. Now, this could solve your problem right away, so before you do anything else, simply go inside the game, and of course, I hope it doesn't crash that time. Make sure your textures are set to low or very low. Then try to play the game and see if it still crashes for you. If it doesn't, that's great, but if it does, proceed to the next step. Now, I know this may not look very good because if textures are low or very low, the game looks quite bad, but still, you can try playing with that or following the upcoming instructions and trying to fix it that way. Now, the second thing you can do is if you're playing on Steam, you should verify the integrity of game files. And the way you do this is actually by going to your library up here and then looking for your Call of Duty game. I don't have it installed, the Call of Duty 6, I don't have it installed here on this computer. So you simply want to right click on your Call of Duty game, click Properties, and then in here you want to go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan all the files that are connected to the game, and if there's any bad files in there, it will fix those and reinstall them right away. So this will take just a few minutes or perhaps even a few seconds if everything is fine, and you can then try playing the game and seeing if that works. So that's the second thing you can do. The third one would be to run the game in safe mode by typing -safe into launch options inside Steam. So the way you do this is yet again go to library and find your game over here, right click it, press properties, and over here under general you will see launch options. Now simply type in -safe, okay? Once you do this, escape, so close this and click play and then see if that helps. If it doesn't, just yet again go in here and just delete this and try running it yet again. Now if that didn't work, what you can do is uninstall the game, delete it from your Steam folder and reinstall it yet again. Now, this actually is quite a nice fix. So what you want to do is yet again go to Steam, right click on your game, click Properties, and then what you want to do is go to Installed Files yet again and click Browse up here. This will open up your File Explorer, and what you first want to do is over here, go to Common, okay, so click Common. And then in here, as you can see, you will be able to see your Call of Duty app or Call of Duty game. What you want to do is leave this folder over here. And after you've done this, you want to simply, as I said, keep this open up. And then you want to uninstall the game from Steam, okay? You can do this by clicking this gear button over here. And then you can manage it. Over here, it says manage. And down here, it says uninstall. And it's as easy as that. Click it and it will uninstall the game. Then go back to that folder we just had opened, and if the folder is still in here, you want to delete it completely, and then close this down and reinstall the game yet again as you would with any Steam game. Now, the last option you have is to install the game to a different drive in case you have a different drive. So sometimes it may be installed to a drive it doesn't really like. I don't know why that is. However, you can still try to kind of install the game to a different drive and try to fix it that way. Now, the way you do this is first following the fourth step, so uninstall the game and delete it from your Steam folder as I just showed you earlier. And then what you want to do is once you try and install the game, so once you click install yet again, you want to, of course, check this if you want the desktop or start menu shortcut, and then you want to click install to, and over here, you'll have multiple drives in case you have multiple drives installed on your computer. So what you should do is pick a different one that it was earlier, and that's it. Press install, and then once that installs and downloads, open up the game and see if that fixed the issue. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.